Hey guys, I finally took my third trade of the month. I caught 103 points on the NASDAQ going short this morning. Here's your recap. It is Wednesday, October 22nd. I'm looking at the NASDAQ futures and I'm on the 15-minute time frame. So I was short biased going into the session this morning, and here's why. So this gray box up here is a supply zone. It is an area that caused a very dramatic move to the downside. If you zoom over to the left and you zoom out and you're on the 4-hour time frame, you see that the market consolidated here on October 8th, October 9th, and October 10th. And then on October 10th, the price dramatically moved to the downside. So this right here tells me that there might be short interest in this area. You're also trading near all-time highs. So there are a lot of areas of resistance and supply up in this area. So it makes sense to me to go short here. I am not looking to go long anywhere near this zone. So that is exactly what I did this morning. So if you go back to the 15-minute time frame, this is my entry here. So this is the opening candle here. This is the 8:30 a.m. Central Time candle. Price initially broke below this blue line, which is a level that price has been bouncing off for a while now. So I was very happy to see that price broke below that. And this wick right here does not tell me that the price is going to move up. What that tells me is that price is going to retest and potentially have a second break. So price did attempt to break a little bit higher, but the sellers immediately started to push it back down here at about 8:45. Right here at 9 a.m., I got a momentum signal. This is multiple MAs, VWAP, RSI, and candle type that helps me with my decision to enter a trade. So it's just multiple confluences to align with my technical analysis. So I entered at the close of this 9 a.m. Central Time candle. I entered here at this 25,218 level, somewhere around there. And I held the position for less than like 30 minutes. I closed it on the next candle. And the reason I closed it was because I had to meet a contractor for flooring at my house. So anyway, I had to go and I couldn't really manage this trade. I was able to move my stop to break even really quickly, which we love to see that. I did have my initial target down here at about a 2.5, which it would have hit. Always a bummer when it hits your target and you close your position too early, but I had to go somewhere and it just is what it is. I knew I didn't have a lot of time to hold the position, but it moved really quickly. And so I didn't want to hold it too long to where price did, maybe bounce all the way back up and reverse and retest this level again. So I went ahead and closed my position right here. I could have held it longer, obviously, but that's okay. I'm very happy with this trade. These are my stats for the month. I've made 330.25 points trading the NASDAQ futures at 100% win rate. I've only placed 3 trades. All of them were winners. These are my stats for the month. So yeah, stick around, see if I trade any more this month and how I do. This